Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are gonna learn how to fix Roblox error while starting Roblox Studio. Now in your PC, click on the search menu at the bottom left. Now search for CMD. You will see the command prompt. Right click on it. Now select Run as Administrator. Now from here, you would have to type the code and remodel it. Type the code in config slash flush DNS. Now press enter. Once again, you would have to enter another command. Enter netsh and windsock. Also enter reset command. Go back to the search again. Select View Network Connections. Now make sure that your connections have been established. And that's all. This way you can fix this error. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.